Hi everyone, and welcome to Writing for Today. Today we're going to have a bit of fun with our writing, and we're going to make a poster. And our poster is going to be about a procedural text. So yesterday we had a look about procedural texts. We had a look what was in them. So we do the title, which tells us what we're doing. The goal, which is what we want to make at the end. We had the materials or the ingredients, which are the things you need to make your item. And lastly, there are the steps or the method, which is the instructions that you follow so that you can make it. Today, we're going to make a poster about procedural text, and I'm going to show you one. Now, when you make your poster, please, please, please use lots of colours, make it look exciting. I only have a black texter because I don't have my pencils at home. So I'm going to use the black texter on mine. Are you going to do that? Are you going to make it look super awesome and colourful? So, first of all, we're going to write the date, because we always write the date on our work. And I'm going to put it up at the top. Just like that. And you can do the same thing. So you can pause the video here and copy it. Excellent. Now, this is a poster, and it's going to be about procedural texts. So in the middle, I'm going to write procedural text. And it's a pretty big word, so you might even like to get your grown-up to write that bit in the middle. Okay? And because it is the most important thing, I've made a little circle, like a cloud around it, so it stands out. So it looks like this. So again, you can pause the video and you can copy that, or you could get your grown-up to do it for you. Excellent. Now, once you've done this, please do it in a lovely colour, make it look good. And what we're actually going to do, and you can draw them or you could cut them out if you want. We are going to draw some pictures of things that you could write a procedural text about. So close your eyes and have a think. What do we actually use a procedural text for? So we use them for recipes. So it might be how to make a cake. It might be how to make lasagna. It could be how to make a sandwich. Or it can be crafty things. So it might be how to make a paper airplane. It might be how to make a daffodil, which we're going to do on Thursday. Alright, but today we're not actually writing them. We're just drawing the pictures of things that we use or we could do a procedural text for. So I'm going to put a couple on here as an example, and then you're going to make some more yourself. So first one I'm going to do, and I'm going to draw a little picture and I'm going to try and write it too. So you could do a procedural text about how to make cake. Alright, and there is my cake, and I've written cake. Or we might do a procedural text about how to make a paper flower. And I'm going to try and write paper and a flower for our and can you see? I've drawn a flower and a paper flower. Let me think of one more. What is one more thing that I could make that I need instructions in a procedural text? I know how to make a sandwich. And there's my little sandwich. So, what you're going to do for me is make your own poster. You have the date, and we have our title here. You can use these ones if you want as to start, but I want you to try and think of your own. And I want you to try and draw 5 different things that we can make a procedural text about. It's really important that you have a go at trying to write it as well. Have a go yourself. You can always get your grown-up to write it underneath. but I want you to try and do it for me, okay? Remember, make it beautiful and colourful, not like my boring work. We want writing with a grey lead and then colouring in our pictures with lots of colours. All right? Good luck!